So now at this point, you're using the ohm meter to test
The fields,
the fields.
the field windings. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if there's any broken wires or anything in them windings. Them windings is made of coil wire and they're just round the fields. So, shows a good continuity there. No broken wires or nothing. Now, since we're doing this, we're gonna test and see if them field wires is grounded to this case.
Does it matter which one of these two poles you put them on?
Mm-mm.
Are they?
They're connected. See the wire.
Okay, I see the connections right there
Mm-hmm.
to the poles, and both. This pole is connected to this one, and this pole is connected to this one. Is that how it works?
Well, let's see how they're connected.
Yeah, I see that it is.
Yeah. See, there's a wire and then there's a wire.
So you're going to test these now, and these are
The brushes.
brushes.
But first, we're going to see if them the coil windings, field windings, is shorted out to this, which ain't supposed to be. So see, we ain't getting nothing. So that means that the coil wires is good. Field wires, should put it that way. Field wires is good.
Test both poles.
Yeah. So that's good. And if you want to go farther, we could go here. Well, we ain't getting good connection. Let's put it right there. There we go. So we got good connection here to this post and this brush. And we'll go here. And we'll go here. I ain't getting a good connection here somewhere. Well, I'm not supposed to anyway. That's my fault. This one is a ground. So we'll go here to here. Get a good connection there. Yeah. Okay.
So one of these is a ground wire. Is that what you say?
Yeah.
This is a ground wire, and this is a.
Well, you call it the hot wire if you want to, hot brush.
But they both rotate on this wheel. Both of these brushes, well, on this one, they
Yeah.
both rotate on that. Okay.
Yeah. Now, you want to make sure, I should have brought a screwdriver over here. You want to make sure these brushes, the springs in these brushes will hold the brushes. Brush holder, the spring will hold that brush good to this. All right. And when I took this apart, one of these brushes didn't have no spring to it at all. It was just so damn dirty. And I've squirted a little penetrating oil on it. You want to make sure that them brushes is good. Now, see, these brushes has got, they're worn before they rotate to match that. Now, we can put these in here.
If you replace brushes, you have to solder them in.
No, these got wires on them, see?
Okay.
Hooked right there. I see you want to wedge that brush against the spring holder when we set it down on there. See, it's wedged against there. It ain't going to move till we get it set down there. We'll release it, and it'll it'll come in. Now let's see here. That sits in there like this. See, I got them brushes wedged because when we set this down on here, all we got to do is just release them and they'll
I see.
They'll go on there. Now, see this tit right there?
Yeah,
That goes in that hole right there.
okay. So everything lines up in time.
Yeah, everything lines up. Now, see,
Timing is everything.
we can set that down on there. Now, we can release these brushes, and they're gonna set against the commentator.
Need a
Find
screwdriver?
me a screwdriver.
Right here, behind me.
Yeah, there you go.
Start bringing hose again.
See, you release them brushes.
Now, when you spin it,
I got some fancy for it.
okay, and they make contact.
Yeah, yeah,
One's a ground and one's a positive.
yeah.
All right. So now what?
Now, we're going to put a little grease in there because
Is that just regular grease, or is there a
Yeah.
special kind of grease you put in it?
just any kind of grease.
Okay.
And when you get out in the field and get this thing going, you want to put oil in there. And that tit right there fits in that slot right there. First, we're going to take it up and we're going to see we got grease on that now. So that's initial go round. These line up for mounting. And these bolts.
Is there a torque spec for putting these on? Or you just tighten them up good and tight? That'll require a 7/16 socket.
Yeah, or a wrench. One of the two. Okay.
Okay, that's it.